Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and it's sort of a travelling album, travelling journal. I don't know, but it was inspired by my love of travellers' notebooks. And I made an insert for it a couple of months ago, and you all seem to love it. So I thought I'd make a variation on a theme. So what I've got is a little sort of a kind of an, I don't know what you'd call it, an album thingy. So you've got loose bits you can put in there, you could decorate them, and it's simply made with 2 sheets of DSP and 1.5 pieces of cardstock for the inners. So, but I just thought it was rather lovely, so I'm going to show you how to make it. Really quick, really easy. Okay, so you need 2 pieces of paper, but they're very slightly different in sizes. They're both 12 inches, 30 centimetres in length. The one that's going to go on the outside is 8 inches wide, 20 centimetres. The one that's going to go on the inside is 7 3/4, 19 centimetres. And that's just so that you've got the room to move around. So we'll work on the outside one first, which is this one. Lovely. So score that one straight down the middle at 4 inches, 10 centimetres, turn it to one side and score it again at 4 inches, 10 centimetres. That's that one done. So that's the outside one. The one that's going to go on the inside, score this one, so this is 7 3/4 along, at 3 7/8 of an inch, 9.5 centimetres. Turn it around and score it at 4. Okay, really easy. Okay, oops. So I'm just going to burnish those. This one is going to fold round in the other direction. Let me do the first one. Let me just make it simpler. So this is the outer one. Fold that up, and it's going to fold in. And this is what's going to be on the outside. Okay. So that's this panel and this panel. The other one, it's going to fold the other way. So we folded up the bottom, but instead of folding in, we're folding out. Because that's going to sit inside like that, and then we're going to have the mirror image with the pockets. So regarding the pockets, depends on how brave you want to be, but what's going to happen is that you're going to chop off a bit. If I hadn't tied this together, I would show you. So it's going to be a section that comes from the middle to the edge. So I find that the simplest thing to do is grab my trimmer, which I don't know where it's gone, mark it at 2 inches, 5 centimetres there, which is that line there. Put that into your groove, the centre point there, and cut it off. And that's how you're going to get that shape. So we'll do the same on this one. On a 2 inch mark. Oh, that was the cutting blade. Oops, oh well. Line it all up and cut it off. Easy. So now it's just a case of putting it together. So that's the outside and that's the inside. Beautiful, isn't it? And I want my little handheld punch that we've retired, but you know, I'm sure you can find one somewhere. And I'm going to put a little sort of half circle right on the join, top and bottom on all of them, on both pieces, and that's to catch hold of the twine. See that just under my finger? Oh, there you go, you can see it better there. So it's all going to go together like that. And as I said, the inside one doesn't stick out. Brilliant. on my first one I used braided linen thread, but I've run out of that and still haven't got any more. So I'm using regular linen thread. I'm just going to wrap it a few times. Tie off a knot. Which apparently I can't do right now. There we go, snip off the ends. And just make sure that it's sitting in those grooves nicely, which it is. Come along, give it a burnish to make sure it's going to sit flat, although we are going to put a ribbon around it. And then your panels, like I say, you can decorate these as much or as little as you like. They measure 7 3/4 in length by 3 3/4, so 19.5 by 19 centimetres. And I've got 4 of those. In there. And then all I need to do now is add my ribbon. And I've pulled out this one, which is the Purple Posy scalloped linen, and I tucked mine under the linen thread. Oh, I just headbutted the tripod. I'm not really sure how I managed to do that, but I did. Oh, apparently I'm tying a knot on this as well, not a bow. There's no way I'm getting a bow out of that little length. Trim off the ends. And then to finish, so on this one, let's just slit. I put the trio of flowers, but actually, you know what? I don't think I want to add to that at all. I don't think I do, because I think if I stamp, no, I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that one just as it is. And you know what? It's not going to lose any embellishments if you've got it in a handbag. Oh, change of plan at the 11th hour. Anyway, I hope you like it. Super cute. Nothing's falling out because obviously it's tied with the ribbon, but just charming. And like I say, if you're going to give that away, you could put loads of decoration on those and have tabs. You could put more decoration down there. I wanted to keep it small because that's the essence of, well, for me, that's the essence of my traveller's notebook. Not too much bulk. So, anyway, I won't tie that up. I need to take some pictures. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.